Hello, I'm going to be talking about the Texas disaster of 1947, which is also known as the deadliest industrial accident in American history. It's almost been 71 years since the explosion. After World War II was over, the Grand Camp was a French cargo ship that arrived to pick up ammonium nitrate fertilizer. It already had the fuel, oil, and 2,300 tons of ammonium loaded on the morning of April 16, 1947, at Texas City Port, USA. Fire started on the cargo and was possibly caused by a cigarette. True reason is not known. Fire continued to grow and the captain tried to extinguish the fire by forcing steam into the cargo, trying to deprive the fire of oxygen. Fire department was called to help, but the fire was already huge. Steam heated the cargo, which caused the ammonium nitrate to be liquefied into nitrous oxide, a volatile substance. At 9:12, the ammonium nitrate detonated, causing a massive explosion that caused a 15-foot tidal wave that flooded nearby areas. Cargo also launched 3,000 feet in the air, destroying 2 planes. Everyone at the location died instantly, buildings flattened, and Monsanto plant nearby was destroyed. Fire continued to the next day, then at 1:10 a.m. after 16 hours from the first explosion, a second explosion of ammonium nitrate on high flyer ship exploded, causing more casualties. The disaster killed at least 581 people, had greatly affected nearby areas, caused many secondary fires and smaller explosions. Buildings blazed long after the initial explosion, and new regulations placed constraints on the usage of substances, and is considered one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history. The disaster triggered the first action lawsuit against the United States government on behalf of 8,485 victims. The expenditures for the industrial reconstruction were estimated to be $100 million. Nitrous oxide formed in the explosion contributes to the atmospheric greenhouse, also participates in the acid rain formation process. When inhaled, it can make people feel euphoric and relaxed. Some also experience hallucinations. There is a risk of death as a lack of oxygen can occur. Ammonium nitrate is a combination of nitric acid and ammonia, which is a neutralization reaction. The explosion's reaction was when ammonium nitrate decomposes into nitrous gas and water vapor when heated, which is a decomposition reaction. Ammonium nitrate is used as a fertilizer and used in explosives. It's solid and exists as a white crystalline. It's water-soluble and decomposes at high temperatures over 200 Celsius and melts at 169 degrees. It has also low reactivity and it's hygroscopic, readily absorbs water. Nitrous oxide is called the laughing gas because it makes people happy when inhaled. The expenditures are 100 million and estimated to be 1.1 billion in today's money. Thank you for listening.